So here is Signal app, and yeah, now they introduced new feature which is called Stories. So just tap Stories in the bottom right tab, and then yeah, this is a new feature, a new way to share photos, videos, or text. Stories automatically disappear after 24 hours. Private and encrypted stories, end-to-end encrypted, as you have complete control who can view your stories. You can stories. So you can share group stories, and then you can opt out as well. So that's a cool feature. Not all people actually like these stories, and then you can just share it. So as you can see, here is a story, and how it works. When I just tap on the story, it goes to the next one, similar as on Instagram. I can just swipe up to exit stories. I can swipe right, or I don't know, yeah, just swipe up. So something like that. So for example, then I can just tap to create a new story in the top right. So here then I can just, whatever, just record some story, and then just add a message, add some media. I can rotate it. I can draw something. Whatever, and then I can blur faces. I can add some text. I can add a message. So something like that. And then just tap blue arrow in the bottom right, and then I can just search, or I can just tap to share it, and then here you can select story privacy to who you want to send it. All Signal connections, 17 viewers, all except someone else. Only share with someone else, like for example, I can only select it like that, and then I can just share it to my story. And then you can see my story is available, so something like that. And now your story is available. You can delete your story. You can see some info about it. So you can see like when it was sent, to which numbers. If you tap on three dots in the bottom right, you can forward, you can share it, you can save it to your device, and yeah, something like that. So also if you tap to your profile and tap on settings in top left, then you can see stories, and then you can turn off stories. So that's basically the idea. So you can, if you opt out of stories, you will no longer be able to share or view stories. Something like that. Yeah, there is some payment settings, but anyhow, that's how the feature works. It's pretty weird actually, because Signal was always considered like a more secure messenger. So people who are not happy with like WhatsApp security, or with something like that, like with Messenger, they opt out to Signal or Telegram, mostly like to Signal, because in Telegram, yeah, I'm just using it to read some news, but Signal is more for communication, for secure encrypted messaging. But now you have stories, which is kind of weird, like, but some people like it, some people don't like it, so let's see how it evolves.